Alright, all you Honda guys, or ladies and gentlemen, we have a Choro-Q number 92. This is the Honda Odyssey. I don't have anything like this in my 1/64 scale collection, but it's kind of nice that Choro-Q allows me to get other vehicles just in a cartoon form. You'll see in the box it says it's from 2004, so it's kind of old. Seems to be new. There we go, protective plastic. So the Honda Odyssey dates back to 1994, and this is the third generation one, these photographs, which was between 2003 and 2008. It would have been powered by a 2.4 liter inline 4, making around 160 horsepower according to Wikipedia. This one obviously has aftermarket wheels, but it's a good side shot, you know, so you can see how foreshortened this is, like 2 times as much versus the height. Or maybe those aren't modified wheels, because this is from Net Car Show, so I think they just do stock images. Okay, well, anyways, I think it looks pretty good for a cartooned version of the real thing. It's a nice metallic purple we have here. This door is kind of muted, though. I don't know what's going on. It's not as crisp as usual. Something went wrong there. Tight gaps over here, though, and then dark smoked plastic, but you can see the motor a little bit there, the wheel well there. The front end, I think these headlights are probably transparent. They're probably the same plastic. Yeah, you can see the light shining up in there, so yeah. And then the Honda badge and the grille look quite nice, actually. You know, really well printed, and there's a little bit of a texture in the grille as well. Blank plate here, this no black paint here, but nice little grooves here for this little molding. Even something right there as well. No wiper blades. No sunroof. Okay. The rear, we just have some red painted taillights. A little bit of overspray, it seems, on this one, though. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so some exhaust here. This is just a standard ChoroQ base. So, you know, I don't think the real Honda Odyssey had dual exhaust, but... Or did it? No, it did. I'm looking at the rear photograph, and yes, this is actually somewhat accurate. Okay, so there's the year of copyright. It's always good to know if you lose the packaging. Alright, we're going to do a wheel swap here. Alright. Alright, so that came off pretty easy. This little tab is holding the front axle down as well. There we go, get that out of here. I'm just going to use a piece of wood today to mimic the motor case, so I don't have to use as much putty to mount my 3D wheels. Actually, the 3D wheels I bought online. You can just search, you know, ChoroQ 3D wheels, and you'll find them somewhere, or not, I don't know. Let's see. Alright, let's get the screw back in there. Okay, so the wheels I have are Spoon SW338s, which are really popular in the Honda community. These wheels didn't have any brakes, so I 3D printed my own brakes. Alright, so then I have some Potafix Pro putty to get these on here. What I like about these is the rear wheels are heavily staggered. You know, they're huge. They're much bigger than a Hot Wheels big wheel. So, try to squeeze evenly, because even though that wood is double-sided taped, you know, sometimes if you just push one side in, the wood will actually shift. But putting them in equally, I don't think the wood's going to shift around. That is a little bit, maybe a little too much camera for even a cartoon van. That looks better. Alright. I think that looks alright. Okay, so pretty neat. Alright, let's compare it to a couple other models or toys. Toys and models. I don't have a Honda Odyssey in 164. I'm not aware of a premium one ever being done, nor would I probably buy it. I don't really love this vehicle in real life. I prefer it to be a cartoon. Anyways, these two are by TLV. This is a Town Ace, and that's an older High Ace. So here's a little top view. Okay. Let's put some ChoroQs out here. So there's a High Ace by Tiny Q, a red one, and then this green one is by ChoroQ 0, and that's a Nissan Caravan. Yeah. Okay, so this next one is a Honda Voxy. No, it's a Toyota Voxy. Sorry. I'm getting my stuff all mixed up here. It's really hard to keep track of every car that you collect. And this is a Honda Element. So the Element has 3D printed wheels that I did myself. And then this Voxy is running Hot Wheels. They're just the Hot Wheels Real Riders that I repainted gold. So it works. So. Okay. Alright, well, let's let this guy spin on its own. Let it get its fair time alone. Yeah, as I say, I don't really think I would buy this model if it was in a premium 164 scale. For some reason this minivan doesn't really excite me. But I do like it in this cartoon form. You know, it's just so squished down, it just looks ridiculous. And then with these wheels, I think it actually looks pretty cool. Alright, well, okay, well, I guess I'll have to see you in the next time I review another ChoroQ. Thanks for watching.